Hello viewers, welcome back to Homeo Healing with Harmony. Right, moving to the next question, there's another viewer who asks, can homeopathy be used alongside any other treatments? Because he's also using allopathy, he's under another treatment alongside. So he's concerned whether homeopathy can be used along with allopathy or any other treatment.
Of course, because what happens, so maximum patients, so I can give an example of any anti-epileptic treatment the patient is on. So he might be having fits in the past and he is on anti-epileptic medicines. Sometimes nowadays hypertension, BP is very common, so they will be on hypertensive medicines or diabetic medicines. So whenever they come to us for treatment, I can't tell the patient to stop the medicine immediately. No, because those are very important for this to control the blood pressure. That is of course needed. Because what happens, any medicines, and one more thing is like if there is any painkillers if they are taking also, we can't stop that immediately. We'll have to taper down the dosage and we'll have to stop. But if it is a conditions, serious conditions like hypertension, anti-epileptic medicines, oral glycemic pills, or any other medicines, homeopathy can be safely taken along with those medicines, because our medicines will never interact with the other system of treatment.
So moving to the next question, and I think this is a pretty important one because this is written by a pregnant woman and also she's expecting the child very soon. And she says, are homeopathic treatments suitable for children and pregnant women? So this is the question from Shruti.
Of course. See, there are patients who come to me with the infertility cases as well. Those who are not conceiving and those who tell that we have gone for IVF treatment, IUI, So, but also we are facing issues in conceiving our child. So what happens that time, homeopathy can be a best solution, I can tell you, because what happens, why the problem is coming, we feel that it's not just with a female, it's with a male also. The semen analysis, if there is any problem with them, like we can correct that also, along with the periods irregularities in women. If we correct both, and that time this will be corrected, I can say. Next, coming back to her question, homeopathy is very much safe during pregnancy as well, and after pregnancy also, where there is sometimes there will be a very lactating mother, there will be a less milk, which is milk production. So homeopathic medicines can be like a boon for them. That helps in increasing milk production and also for the babies to develop the immunity. And one more thing, most of the patients, they come and ask is for the teething troubles in the kids. Nowadays almost every child, they go through this teething phase. Few child, they tend to develop fever, few child they tend to develop diarrhea kind of symptoms, constipation and many other things, right? So those problems are also solved with homeopathic medicine. So it is very much safe and safe to take during pregnancy as well and post delivery also.
Alright.